Oh, you're watching. This is Tom and Jeannie from Minnesota, and you're watching beachwalks.tv.
Hey.
Cool.
That was the first thing. I bet you don't hear fire engines and sirens and stuff going on.
I'm like, that's weird.
What's that?
Yeah, it stands out.
Oh, we hear it on the phone.
Oh my God. The first Monday of every month, they do the sirens. They do the hurricane sirens, and it's like, holy crap.
Civil defense kind of, yeah.
Right. Okay, get together, Beachwalks fans. Tighten up.
Little group hug here.
There you go. You, I took it from you to get in there.
No, but close it.
I will when you get in there. You have to be really, really close, though. It doesn't look weird on camera. It might look weird there.
I have a question. I'm going to think of a question. I want you to zoom in and get everyone's answer.
Okay.
But I haven't had a question yet.
Is this a Toastmaster thing?
Yeah, probably.
No, it's more like, what would be a good table topic?
Table topics for an introductory question.
We're probably getting terrible wind here about our thing.
What was your favorite part of Hawaii?
Great question. Who
What's the
wants to
answer?
start? Who wants to start?
I'll start.
Okay.
The people. I have never met friendlier people than here. Even back home, they always talked about the Minnesota friendly.
Yes.
It's nothing like here.
That's
it's
right.
beautiful.
Yeah.
It's been
Way to go. I agree. Okay.
Did I steal it from you?
All right, I'll say, yeah, the people, the scenery, and I'd say the Mai Tais.
I'd like the Mai Tais. I've got one thing. Sue and I were talking about in the summer when it's 80 degrees out and say, oh, we can only have weather like this all the time. You always have this weather, and that's the thing that's really struck us. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous all the time.
Perfect weather, no mosquitoes, and the people are also friendly.
Yeah.
They are.
No mosquitoes. That's worth weighing in on.
Big time.
Yes.
Big time. Big time.
Well, I have to put the plug in for swimming in the beautiful Pacific Ocean because that's what I do every day, and I love it. Even when it's cold and cloudy.
All right. Shoveling snow.
One more. Yes. Okay.
Beachwalks.
I'll take it.
If I could only meet Secret Cameraman. There he is.
Let's have the camera, hon.
Bye.